In the Donelson community, the Donelson Christian Academy was practically gutted by the storm. Classrooms reduced to toothpicks. One of the hardest hit areas, the Stanford Estates subdivision, where we learned two small children had to hunker down to stay out of the tornado's path. Stephanie Langston spoke with the family, who credits a home alarm for saving their life. She joined us live tonight from Donelson. Steph?
Well, Bob, this community was really unrecognizable that day, and still even today, neighbors have moved. Homes that weren't wiped out by the tornado have since been knocked down, some leaving holes in the ground like you see here, while others, like this one, have been rebuilt. And as bright as that newly painted yellow door is on the outside, today is a dark day for the family that's inside.
All I can think about is that night. That night, it was horrible. I could see this furious type of aggressive lightning through our downstairs door, back door.
Camelia Mays watched while lying in bed with her husband and 2-year-old granddaughter. 4-year-old Araya was upstairs.
It was raining. Everything was crashing.
And then our home alarm went off. So both of us reached for our phone to turn it off, and it wouldn't turn off. So I came up the stairs to turn it off, and at that point, the 4-year-old, she ran to me. So I automatically just put her, come on, come downstairs with us, get in the bed with us.
Minutes later,
there was a huge boom.
The family raced to the bathroom.
We just stood there and held on to each other and held on to the girls in between us. I kept screaming, why do I smell dirt? Why do I smell dirt? And that my mind automatically went to, we're buried, we're underground. It was a nightmare. And I was awake. And I was trying to figure out how to get out.
On the other side of that bathroom door, devastation in the darkness.
My car was upside down and on the side of the house by our bedroom. There was a tree in our living room.
The grandbabies called it the broken house.
That alarm saved my grandbaby. 100% sure of that, because her bedroom was destroyed. Where she was laying, there was no roof. Part of the bed was gone. The mattresses was gone. Where she was laying just a few minutes before.
Today, broken has been replaced with new.
But we're okay because we're in the new house.
And the family moved in just a day after Christmas. They say as traumatic as that morning was 1 year ago, like many, they are blessed that out of an event so dark came light, shining love and humanity through neighbors, strangers, and prayer warriors that helped get them where they are today. Reporting live from Donelson, Stephanie Langston, News 2.
Just another amazing story of survival. Thanks, Steph.